Welcome back to MVP Auto. Today, we are taking you through an absolutely stunning machine, the all-new 2025 Toyota Highlander, reimagined with a bold and aggressive new design that sets it apart from anything you've seen before. From the first glance, you can tell this is not your ordinary SUV. The completely redesigned front grille commands attention with its deep black finish and sharp vertical slats, giving the Highlander a presence that's both intimidating and refined. Moving to the headlights, Toyota has given this model sleek, razor-thin LED lights that stretch outward aggressively, blending perfectly with the sculpted hood lines. The entire front fascia looks aerodynamic, purposeful, and ready to dominate the road. Every angle of this Highlander has been crafted to enhance its bold, sporty identity, something that fans of performance styling are really going to appreciate. Take a look at the body kit. It's wide, sculpted, and aggressive, flowing seamlessly into the massive gloss black multi-spoke wheels. These wheels don't just look incredible, they give the Highlander a more planted, athletic stance, making it look like it's ready for both luxury cruising and serious action. The two-tone paint job, featuring a striking metallic bronze body and a deep black hood and roof, takes the visual drama to another level. Under soft lighting, the reflections off the body look almost liquid, giving it a cinematic feel that's impossible to ignore. From the side profile, you can see the strong character lines running across the doors, while the bold fender flares add even more muscle to its silhouette. The rear design continues the sporty theme, with aggressive styling elements and sharp taillights that leave a lasting impression as you drive away. Toyota has not only elevated the Highlander's design, but they've created an SUV that feels at home in luxury neighborhoods just as much as it would tearing through open highways. Every detail, from the subtle gloss black accents to the sharp, clean edges, speaks of precision, power, and sophistication. If you're looking for a family SUV that doesn't blend in, but instead demands attention with every turn of the wheel, the 2025 Highlander could be the one. Stay tuned to MVP Auto as we bring you even more first looks, reviews, and cinematic showcases of the world's hottest cars. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more, and let us know what you think about this new beast in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.